kumakain, oh. Tsaka si Iris. Why, Luna? Luna? Why? Why are you not eating? Come. Come. Eating. Kahit then. Huh? Why? Why? Ano naman? Dito Luna. Asan si Ray? Ah. Si Nova. Why you don't want to eat? Ah. No. Uy! What are you eating? Ay! Sino na to? Ah, si Ray. Ayaw mo kumain, pero ito kakainin mo. Galing mo. Ray, tapos ka na? Iris?